Welcome to the Salty Strikes Fishing Channel. I'm Chris, and all you subscribers, welcome back. And today I got something special for you. For all you guys that have been around a while, subscribe and watch often. I do get into a lot of mischief and mayhem, to say the least. And my brother's been kind of begging me to put out a few more of the bloopers and what have yous. So, you know, if you're ready for a good laugh, and you know, stick around and check it out. Stop! Yep, I just did that. Right in front of your face?
I didn't see it.
Oh my god. Yeah, that just happened. Spanish mackerel come through. I know, I'm packing up. It's gone. Oh my god, James. What are you doing?
Okay, so I thought it got twisted and...
Justin. Yep. Coming your way, baby. Oh, maybe not. Oh man, that's it for that net. Okay. God damn it. Oh, blues. Oh. Oh. they both just swam off with. Well, guys, I hope you got a chuckle out of that. You know, crap happens, and sometimes you just got to laugh it off. And so, if that's not worth hitting that subscription button, I don't know what is. You know, I really appreciate all you guys that come here every week and watch the videos and leave those positive comments and feedback. You know, we have a lot of good stuff in store. We're fishing all the time. Videos are coming out all the time. So, you know, if you want to stick around for some more good content, subscription buttons down there, notification bell, you know, all that jazz. Well, till we see you next time, stay salty, guys.